Rules and conditions for NamRA Talks. NamRA Talks is an opportunity to participate in a public competition for all those who want to have their views on customs and tax-related matters heard by submitting write-ups. Rule number 1. By entering this competition, a participant acknowledges that they have read, understood and agreed to be bound by these rules and conditions. Number 2. Only Namibian citizens and or permanent residents from the age of 16 years are eligible to enter this competition. 3. No NamRA staff member, whether appointed or seconded, or their close relatives, including but not limited to spouse, siblings, children and parents, may participate in this competition. 4. Submissions will be accepted from 5th of January 2024 until 20 February 2024 and must be emailed to namratalks@namra.org.na. There are no limitations on the number of submissions that a participant may submit. 5. The top 10 submissions will be announced on the 20th February 2024. 6. The winning submissions will be determined by the judging panel on 19 March 2024 in front of a live audience through presentations by the participants. The audience/public may also be afforded a line to vote for the winning presentations. 7. NamRA shall retain and utilize all materials, submissions or proposals submitted as part of this competition as it deems fit and in line with the applicable law. 8. All participants shall be liable and responsible for all intellectual property rights related to the material submitted as part of this competition and shall ensure that all requisite clearances and authorizations are obtained ahead of submission to NamRA. 9. The submissions will only be limited to the selected and announced topics and shall be in English, maximum 1,000 words. 10. Where participants rely on other people's work, such must be clearly indicated and where required must be cleared with the relevant authors and right holders. On receipt of the submissions, NamRA shall assume that all authorizations have been sought and granted. 11. NamRA will not be held liable for participants' plagiarized work. Participants who are found to have plagiarized their work will be automatically disqualified. Number 12. The submissions must be properly structured with the heading/topic, the body and recommendations for consideration. 13. The assessment of the submissions will have regard to the factual nature of the content, relevance to the topic, capturing the applicable law, practically of the recommendation and style of presentation. Number 14. While NamRA may assist with the travel costs for participants to attend the presentation ceremony, it shall not be liable for any damage, loss or injury related to such traveling and or accommodation while participating in this competition. 15. In the event the winner is a minor, under the age of 18, or in the custody and control of his or her parent or parents/guardian, the minor will be required to submit full details and proof of identification of the parents or guardian to whom the prize will be given. Such particulars and proof must include among other things, the nature of the winner's relationship with the parent or parents/guardian in question. The parent/legal guardian's name must be used to register the prize. 16. By participating in this competition, participants agree to be filmed before a live audience on national television and authorize NamRA for the purposes of this competition to identify, be announced as the winners, have their names, images or photographs taken and published on NamRA's various social media platforms, and no additional cost to NamRA, and such participants shall have no claim against a NamRA whatsoever. Number 17. Winners will be required to sign an acknowledgement of receipt of the prize. Number 18. The prize will not be transferable to another person. 19. NamRA shall not be responsible for any claim for compensation or otherwise in regard to anything arising out or connected with this competition. 20. Should any matter arise not provided for in the rules and conditions, the final decision remains with NamRA. 21. Any concern or dispute in relation to this competition may be lodged with Ms. Magano Naimbali at namratalks@namra.org.na within 24 hours of the decision or incident giving rise for the concern or dispute. Any concern or dispute related to the presentation day must be lodged immediately. 22. The decision of the judging panel shall be final and binding on all the participants. 23. Participants must be in good standing with NamRA. Good luck with your competition.